and I mean ankasa nso me wo Kumasi eno de me release squad baby also bese Kumerican nyina obi ade ne de ba ne release no and
the padro say no also
eno nipa bete no me apia ZGH Frank Naro na amrado kan but o ma frame me say why Kumerican nyom me de ne kan me ensa so he can be on my this my track. I think you know. I don't know.
Like he's done too many songs. So about
is it like you guys?
Somebody call my manager and then or say yenyi amrado voice in free because why is I am fellas there? Why obin so there? Maybe na become why be don't.
Flocking Stone has done over 5 songs alone features.
Yeah, man. Na me cry me tell me musician, but I say almost 4
exactly.
Features.
So I don't really.
I don't know.
Up
to now, I'm fair. My manager no be fair me. Say me want a number. Say amrado. Nko fugo. My things are butcher or something. No more new management and then they don't want him to be on this. Before then, no my you know me and say be. They maybe never count me and say yeah they don't want him to be on it and I'm like okay.
So management
say are we helping Kumasi and we are thinking of our brand?
Exactly. Papa Kumasi will come to that very valid point where is you on. I don't know why this is coming up now, but it's really important. Or say why you no more than saying until he's not recording again.
Yeah.
This is the same support Akwesi we're talking about from ourselves to the people here.
Yeah.
I mean, Amarado, nonetheless, when it comes to music, I don't know what the name catch on because on any name like I think I'll be so So I mean, Amarado lending, his verse on your song will do you good. But you see, I'll say one yet.
But any ononkwa unse kaboom also Kumasi artist most na
also.
And before you were not Kumerican bio before me no.
Okay, so you started recording the song.
I did this Kumasi thing way back 2018.
And even with how you speak, the whole Asaka, you started way before the whole dance came around.
Yeah, you know, I think 2018. But me too quiet. Until me buy and ask me jato until last year. And I mean appear cause appear. Let's add people to it. No man yet day. Before Kumerican.
But you decided to drop it now.
Yes, because of say vibe na Bama will be will be at the chile. Until na me cover art na me release. Until no na the manager and go for the first. I think some would they can't be on the track because why first and why second one. Maybe they not toss with so he can't. And I'm so that's okay. So until me ambassador I think I'll see you na pay nipa for headache because me I'm just trying to promote Kumasi. And if say Kumasi phone now was now say bia oh dear no why new mama and santi can be on it that's okay and share any problem because me my Jimmy did that oh and nyom na me ba family on to the city no
Matthias here
at the end of the day ye no ma mo young no mo bom wodi na o say any di na ye nyene mo tap kakra no mo di
that's very true
but here's the case we are helping ourselves not all cause why 3 and then you have this and that
they say you rise by lifting others Matthias here
you see the thing
but I understand from your side. Let me pay clarification by say Matthias here. I thought it was say on one personally.
No, the management. Oh, no, they are cool. Yeah.
I was about to mention that. So sometimes for a musician, your decisions about the brand na or no agree with.
That's very true.
But business, somebody is investing in you.
Yeah.
Sometimes you might not agree, but you go with it.
True. That's very true. So Papa Kumasi, let's talk Kumerica.
Okay.
How did you get into this? The language people are now actually, tagging along with Kumericano, Sakano. They say Obiaka Kumerica, Sakano neba. Obiaka drill music, Sakane neba. Opese ode Sakane kaon. How did you get into it? And how have you own our lady the Sakane Kumasi, no doubt.
Okay.
How did you get this into the whole Kumerican move? About the same for you.
Okay. We said Kasane the whole way back.
Yeah.
SS. That's 18, 19 years ago. Now you can't schools and we by you know. And I'm a church, me of a phone, you know.
As I want to
oh, my church, I wish phone and to your shop here. And to Bana say your shop na Casa, we are area near the corner open by a catchy our betty, the cover of our betty.
Bakasaka,
the Casaca, and word to us, I'm but I'm moving. Why are confused? As a Kawama, but 3 years, 2 years, Nancy and Musa man for a day. I started to can be, you know, but I may start a kayak check.
So the whole Kumerican thing, like I'm saying, the Kasanedi made in kind say it was there before. In some of your movies, most of your movies now we used to that. But bringing it into the whole Kumerican thing right now, Akoya say the official language for the Kumerican wave, Saka.
Yeah.
How did you play a part in that? How did that happen?
Saka no, enyum unsame fanya music da. Until I was there one day and then Sean Black came say why enyum bi Kulumisife. Dabro ye deba amade na yeduno laga dabro ye deba. I was like, oh, what me enyum de adena me mo na me support it. Nti omo ye na me so me ko na me ko me part. Nti if you na mo so okay part bi meeting me Saka ye dey.
Asho
room na I come and there is Saka room so everybody is, obi ani age.
Very true.
That thing
very
there's a yes e be my home no so nya any more.
Matthias here. So with the Kumerican thing right now, is I don't want to be
yeah.
We are all looking at the way for how a bit me at Nachi. Because right now, no many million can want them say no. Akoya say you to tun cruding.
Yeah.
You change. I mean, Menshia, this is our best two for no, or Koshe cruding.
No, and no,
and also a ban is saying how did I start?
No, say. Kumasi for ye sabio sabio hwehwe no mu kakra ade bi ebenya bi epese wiase nyina ehuni man hu se sombo maye sanete e na ekuro na edi na sesa na nya ade a be possible so ka say bi amaami abra be ka say me Mississippi onim ho atonsu no onim but just above for the youth our vibe just for vibing ne chilling keke
na ade na yin su edi na ho dada na
to say
crew from ne tafo na ho
no ne emma ade na unique no. Because I can't crow from a normal, we are crow from being set for.
But so I can't say Mississippi.
Mississippi because of say what broach and say a Kumerica and there may be a small boys near the cow and Colano more mass a Kumerican words and it's an man buy into the cow you can't change it because I count. Crow from also a New Jersey and Ashton in New Jersey. Or can it doesn't mean say Ashton didn't but the yen street vibe and then Nigeria keke. Because on say a vibe ade aba obi hey into mo kan just say a hiti o mo ankasa up what I say so ka say be a crew no be kan e be a Los Angeles and first o kan say not necessarily so be change din no nobody can change
me dey say ekwechi ehun American stars are like they are
eating the trend
exactly on the trend nechi they are recording verses Vic Mensa who is with Kanye West Emma Boys no verse so if someone is outside Ghana now over Ghana now abedu Ghana now or tete Florida ne hwan e wa ha say it's taking the shine away from the local things so obi about Ghana obi about how and Kumasi obi about some of the places Bantam Menchia there are places they really want to go to because it tells so many of Ashanti culture what you say and near history near that they say Abana said
obi and na make us obi ntimi said do you know why it didn't dey hoda dada but any ma we Abana ye omo dey omo vibe nkeke e betwam you can't tell me say obeto unsa Florida no you started Florida you know
some of the places some of the places
election.
No way back be oh no mo to Bantam Florida and
New York Bermaine other places it was it was there
still na New York Bantam and din that so but that doesn't mean say Bermaine saka sanity into Kumerican aba no mo so e din e be kan ho bae no what I say din e bae no e din e ka Kumerican no we free my enye into mo the vibe sa and enjoy no fam vibe
okay maybe say e be twem say twema is it going away with the whole Kumerican thing
no to say the oka to say bia oka Florida no say no na what that ba yenka Kumerican ba ya na side ya start ka Florida that means say sa na no enka ho so Florida sem no enka ho ebeko but the vibe in sa na no mo nyom to ni ade ababe stay
0551433050 that's for WhatsApp and you can also call me. I'll let you know what time to get into the phone the lines and call us so you share your views about this on Facebook. Shouts to all our viewers on Facebook right now. I'll try and get you some of the comments. Now Papa Kumasi me can be said what's our onyum now cuz we listening hip hop. What happens to all the other genres? Kumerican we for guys on we hip hop and I no mon kwa say me ton tade am kan bi o kan ho bi say me movie am kan ho bi obia e Kumerican doesn't mean say enye omo tonyo mon kwa Okay, chichimu
not for all more musicians alone. Ube who no ashata dey no the nam. Antonium vibe na ba no no so feel it.
Or tapping into.
You see the thing, this Xmas Kumasi bed. Kumasi bed
Sound.
Now the whole Ghana, I have one vibe or the vibe.
Kumerican.
Kumerican. And this year 2020, Corona day or no Corona, we go chill where. That crowd people go come.
Kana wakasani.
Saka. Crowd for bemo kamasiku. Koforu ya for bemo kamasiku. Wasiate masiku ya belleche. 2020 Xmas. Hey, be on fan of force emo kamasiku. Hana be tisu ya ete kole. Hana leche no be chimo. Lega fofra chiriburu. Yega fofra chiriburu.
Chibo.
Bia chibo tini. Bia oba mo kamasiku. Into masiku this Xmas. I bet this weekend for.
On Twitter, your name is Ananifigu says, I think adding the American names to the Kumerican names are really making it attractive and bringing it people's attention, especially those outside Kumasi and Ghana. That's what he thinks.
Okay, on say Medikaka say Adebia baby and say sumu ya ijina. Kumasi for Sabio sometimes yeah na you so.
And where baby out?
Okay. Enya base no. Wa obedi animu no ye be ohun be ya amanfo ahyi. But enya be ka wi a afi say hini nyina ide. E be paper. E ba ye unsa wote a wo kan radio so.
True.
Obi wodwom oton atade. Obi a ewo ade a o ye fa sa Kumerican aba no. Enya ntade nko a. Ye obi ho o ye bibi ba me no me ni hu. Ebi an se tog ne mo nkora yi o mu nyina nyanya world recognition. What I say?
Very true.
It is helping in the other ways. Ebi baby ebo abiem ne ye hu ba ebo anso ho. Because of say all this field, intina ma ye can this field asem no. Ba baby minni no I can't talk about that area because me nim de ekoso. Ba me nim say obi tun atade obi say kachi e de hye onye skapa. Atade we ba wa ton sa.
Onya do. What on is it?
Oh what gani mo. You any pocket no etenwe dread he what's at here
almost 100 cities.
Oh yeah wakulu into if any ma omutu yi buy what's at here
Matias
chirika e share the what gani mo into the hemisphone voya on vigi any mo di mini empocho
what voice spam.
Oh yeah
and Adeba Kwame Hune said some of these corporate institutions especially banks,
okay,
they are eating into this. I don't know if you've seen a billboard. Some billboard by one of the banks, Merifidino. They have this Kumerica something. I mean, whole billboard.
Oh, hey.
I think say a war take a equine soccer before also be doing attention.
Oh, nice.
Yeah,
nice.
Asokwa branch the aqua school. Big one. I don't know if someone has a picture. Tweet it right now or send it to me on Facebook.
And the thing is that, like I was saying, attention. The thing has attention now, so everybody wants to ride on it. And I know one brand that will really take advantage of it soon. KFC. They like this local hustle, local vibe thing. If they go on.
Yeah.
I'm sure you see on their billboard soon. A
billboard
package called a food package called Kumerica. Maybe a 15 rice and chicken and blah blah blah.
Kebe nice. Because if you have food like Kumerican plate, Kumerican what,
if I walk into a restaurant, they have a menu full of Kumerica, whatever. Kumerica smoked
Kumerica
fish,
cocktail,
Kumerica this.
That. You know, but these things, there are things that the restaurant people could have started already. They should have started already.
If Kumerican cocktail should come out, we shouldn't leave appetizing out to have it.
On Twitter, Ben Beasy says, "Hey, Papa Kumasi, they kill me with Saka. I want to learn how to speak. How can I do that?" Ajiman Clothing says, "Hey, Papa Kumasi is too much." 0551433050 for WhatsApp, and if you want to call me, that is the number you use to get to me here on YFM. So what we are basically saying is all these people here in Kumasi can still help sustain this. So like, I mean, Akwesi mentioned, if I walk to, let's say, a restaurant I like, I can see on the menu Kumerican cocktail, Kumerican pizza or something like